Alright, I accepted my first amateur taxidermy job. I got a friend whose grandson shot his first cow elk, and they want to commemorate it by Europeaning the skull. So I agreed to do that for the cost of the peroxide. So here is the head, and it is flipping huge. So here's a before shot, and I'll show you the process. Alright, so it is time to put the skull in the boil. So I've removed the tongue, I've removed the eyeballs, I've removed some of the jaw meat, aiming, to kind of make it easier boil. So now I'm going to pick this bad boy up, and over here I got the crab boiler. Put some OxyClean in it, and then just pop her in there. So I didn't get any footage of me pressure washing the skull after I pulled it out of the boil. But what you want to do is, as soon as the flesh starts to, or the meat starts to kind of separate from the bone on the top of the skull, go ahead and pull it out and then give it a good pressure wash. Get every nook and cranny of the skull. Just try and get that flesh out of there. And whatever's left and just is giving you a hard time, go ahead and boil it again for a half hour. Then pull it out and pressure wash it again. And if it's still there, just boil it again. Another half hour, pull it out and wash it. Do all of that until all the meat is gone, and then you're ready for your color. Alright guys, it's a little loud, but it's the next step of the elk skull European mount. So let's check it out. I've got it almost to a rolling boil in there. Hydrogen peroxide, which I got from the local beauty supply. Anyway, once it hits rolling boil, I'm going to scramble to get it out and pressure wash the hydrogen peroxide off the bones, because if it stays in there too long, your bone will start flaking and it won't be pretty. So anyway, I'll give you a shot of the finished product. Alright, here's the finished product. Pretty white. Came out clean. Got rid of all the extra gunk that was in there. Oh yeah, she's clean. Alright, well, that about wraps it up for the cow elk skull European. She turned out pretty good, but I will admit I should have been more hands-on with the camera and showed you exactly what cuts to make and what to cut off and how much peroxide to put in, and the list goes on. But trial and error, and the next video should be better. And without too many spoilers, stay tuned for bear skulls, a lot of them. So we'll be showing you how to European bear skulls, and I'll really take the time on the cuts then. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace and love.